Ooh, our soup is ready. Look at it now. Soup is ready. A delicious afang soup. Ah, wow. I can't wait to enjoy it. So guys, can you see? I'm so sorry, there's no light. A delicious afang soup is ready. Get your fufu or get your semo or get your gari eba. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. In today's video I want to prepare afang soup. Please ignore the noise at the background because rain is falling right now. Heavy rain is falling. So this is my fresh afang leaf. Is already processed. I wash it, slice it, and then pound it. And this is water leaf, already washed and sliced. This is also water leaf. This is my palm oil, and this is periwinkle, crayfish and pepper well pounded, maggi and salt. So this is my meat and fish on fire. So let's start our cooking a delicious afang soup. If you don't know what is afang soup, it is one of my native soup that we use to eat swallow. So I'll add water again in the meat, and then I will allow to boil before I'll start adding other things. This is meat and inara fish. Okay, so the meat has boiled now. Now I will add my fresh water leaf. So now I will stir it. This soup is going to be yummy, 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 yummy. So get your plates ready. This is not the spoon I'm supposed to use. Let me change to a better spoon. So I'll cover and allow to boil. Let's check our soup. You see it has boiled very well. So I will stir it and then add other ingredients. So now I will add my periwinkle. This is periwinkle, we call it buffet. And now I will add my crayfish and pepper. Seasoning cube. And then I'll stir it. Soup is almost ready. My baby girl is awake. Now I will add more water. Now let's check again. So now lastly I'll add my afang leaf. I'll add afang leaf and then palm oil. palm oil. Ooh, our soup is ready. Look at it now. Soup is ready. A delicious afang soup. Ah, wow. I can't wait to enjoy it. So guys, can you see? I'm so sorry, there's no light. Manage the brightness like that. So soup is ready. Soup is ready. So let me dish my own. Wow. A delicious afang soup is ready. Get your fufu or get your semo or get your gari eba. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop a sweet comment. Tell me what you think about my afang soup, my delicious afang soup.